Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So I guess this has to be one of the saddest stories since the start of 2019, where a 14-year-old girl was killed. And let's get into this article. When Renee Clark's phone rang shortly after midnight into yesterday, the shaky unknown voice on the other end told her that her youngest sister, Shanique Clark, had just been cut down in a hail of bullets. It sounded like a sick joke. For starters, the incident unfolded at a property along Bowens Road off Waltman Park Road in St. Andrew, when 14-year-old Shanique was supposed to be staying with relatives in Arnett Gardens. Renee, however, would later learn that her sister had pulled a fast one on the family and opted to attend a bike show near Bowens Road in what would have proved to be her final hours. She left out Friday afternoon to go stay with her grandmother and other family who lived around a jungle. Renee and her father, confirmed that she reached safely Friday. We talked to her Saturday, and up to Sunday morning we confirmed she at our grandmother, shared Renee with the Gleaner, who visited the family home off Lindris Road yesterday. Her father, an emotional Michael Clark, also tried to piece together what went wrong. Her daughter, who also live over jungle, tell me that she see Shanique Sunday night around 6 to 7 o'clock. Shanique tell her that she was coming to me. She said my bigger daughter tell her said that I said not to come over tonight because it's time late, so stay till Monday because she don't have school till Tuesday. Shanique tell her sister that she's going around her auntie to go sleep when she know say a bike show she a go, he recounted. In disbelief, he lamented, "Me can't believe this reached my daughter." For 18-year-old Renee, her sister was playful, fun-loving girl with big dreams. She was ready for school tomorrow, Tuesday, just needed to wash her uniform to go out. "I can't believe it," she expressed, tears streaming down her face. She never said what she wanted to become in life exactly, but she was always positive about making a better life. This is the worst news ever. Reports from Hunts Bay police are that around 10:55 p.m. on Sunday, Shanique, an 8th grade student at Spanish Town High School, was among a group of 4 persons aged 14 to 16 who were surprised by a group of rifle-toting thugs firing indiscriminately. All 4 were shot. The other 3 youngsters remained hospitalized up to yesterday afternoon. In the aftermath of the shooting, the body of the 5th person, 44-year-old self-employed Michael Anthony Brown, was discovered along Harvey Road, a stretch adjacent to Bowens Road. Speaking to the Gleaner at the crime scene yesterday, commanding officer for the St. Andrew South Division, Superintendent Gregory Francis, said the police are theorizing that Brown was shot during the same incident. Francis noted that the early indications are that the shooting stemmed from an existing gang feud. Francis has since named Ordain Gunter, also known as Mimi, and Memphis as a person of interest and is appealing for him to turn himself over to the police promptly. "We believe he can assist us with this crime. We also want to reassure residents that the presence of security forces will be in this community to ensure their safety, but we depend heavily on them as it relates to helping to solve this crime," he said. And honestly, we can blame the government all we want, but the government aren't the one that are killing our children and our family members. These are people that are killing our family members and these children. So we need to hold them accountable. We need to actually start saying what's happening in our communities. Because if you don't say anything, you're actually protecting these killers. And I know it's hard because you don't know who is going to who's gonna tell back these gunmen and they come and kill you, but honestly, something have to give. It's not even a full week into the new year and we are already seeing our youngsters, the people that are supposed to be Jamaica's future, dying like this. Okay, she wasn't the only one that was shot, but multiple other youngsters ages 14 to 16 was shot at. Really? You're just gonna shoot up some youngsters? What did they do? What was the motive behind this? Because this seems very random, and most of the time these killings are not random. As the police said, it is stemming from a gang related feud that has been ongoing in that particular community. But anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Condolence goes out to. Please protect our youths. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. We also have new merch out, and please support because it's for a great cause. It's for Jamaica.org. It's a organization that gives beds to underprivileged kids in Jamaica. So please support the merch line, please, and thank you. It's for a wonderful cause. Condolence goes out to the Clark family. They lost their sister, niece, daughter, and it's very sad and disheartening.